So check it out, the Stihl BR800X. This has been on the market for a couple years now. I'm a little bit late to the game, but it's always worth reviewing it. We have a lot of customers coming here at Carl's Mower and Saw, and they're checking out the Stihl BR600, the BR700, the BR800. And this might be the right blower for you. It is one of our top selling products here at Carl's Mower and Saw. Today I'm going to talk about some of the features, benefits, and what makes this stand out versus maybe the competition. Because guess what? Every manufacturer out there now has a big, strong beast blower. What I love about the X in comparison to those other machines from the other brands is A, it's lighter weight, B, it's quieter, and C, it definitely sips less fuel. So the fuel savings alone will actually pay for the difference between those brands of other products that are out there. So the BR800X, sweet blower, sticking with the traditional Stihl technology, the Stihl backpack blower approach, this awesome frame that has a full anti-vibration suspension system that's going to keep the vibration of the engine and the vibration of the blower off of the operator, or reduce it from getting to the operator, just making it much more comfortable to operate long term. And they have wonderful straps, right? Look at this, look at the size of that pad there that's going down your back. It's got a nice back pad, easy adjust, so I can very quickly go from extended to drop it down on my shoulder. So I love the comfort of this blower. Stihl's put a lot of effort into making this comfortable. That's not only from a vibration and a strap, but it's also to this throttle control that allows me to quickly adjust it for my arm length. And then noise, right? This is just, it's a quieter blower than most backpacks. It's still loud. You still want to wear your ear protection when you're out there with it, but it's a very quiet blower in comparison to what else is out there. So this is a roughly 900 CFM blower, putting out right at 200 miles per hour. The Hurricane is big, and the Tornado, the Punch, is big. So if I'm picking wet stuff up off the concrete, it's gonna knock it loose. And in that volume, that 900 plus CFM is gonna move the stuff further. Coming into the fall season, this is fantastic for heavy leaves, moving volumes of leaves. And in the spring season, because of that miles per hour, I can pick that wet grass off of the driveway that happened to get on there when I was flipping my mower around, right? What other features do we have on this side besides, you know, the quick adjust throttle and the anti-vibration? Well, you did maybe see one thing, pretty simple, but they've got this little hook right here that allows me to get this tube up and out of the way. That's pretty nice. Something that's just a thought, right? Stihl thought of it and said, hey, let's make it easier for the customer to store. A huge fuel tank capacity, and the fuel is being ran through the Stihl 4-mix engine. Maybe if you've looked at some of our videos before on the Stihl 4-mix, it is quieter, it is smoother, it's also significantly more fuel efficient. So the runtime out of this thing is well over an hour. So you can get a lot of work done on a tank of gas. Love the starting of this machine. Love the primer. Everything's gonna have a primer now, right? The choke right here. The place to put my foot. I can put my right foot right there. Put my left hand. I said right foot. Usually I put my left foot there. Put my left foot there, my left hand here. Pull the rope with my right hand. It's gonna start up, and then I simply reach over to the throttle. Whoop, clicks off the choke, it's ready to go. It's warming up a little bit as I strap it on my back, and it's time to go to work, get some serious stuff done. There's a cruise control on this machine. This little lever here on the side, if I move that up, I can lock the throttle on whatever range of speed I want. Maybe you're sick of squeezing that trigger. And after an hour, it does get a little bit annoying. Maintenance, super easy on this machine. My air filter is right under here. 2 screws, pop it out. It's a vertical pleated air filter that allows the dirt to fall out. Right under here is going to be my spark plug, as well as my valves. Valve adjustment's been laid out very smoothly on this, that it's a pretty quick job for most people to do. So there we go, the Stihl BR800X, in my opinion, if you're looking for the biggest, baddest blower from all of your different manufacturers, this is the guy to look at for multiple reasons. The biggest one that I hear though, out of my customers, out of my commercial guys, my landscapers, is the weight. This is just lighter than their competitors, making it more comfortable, and it's nearly as powerful or more powerful, gets the job done. All right guys, thanks for checking it out. We look forward to seeing you all soon at Carl's Mower and Saw. Have a great day. Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.